Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will solve the inequality 2g minus 4 is less than or equal to 6. We will provide both the inequality form and the interval notation form of the solution. Let's get started. Step 1. To solve the inequality 2g minus 4 less than or equal to 6, we need to isolate the variable g on one side. First, let's add 4 to both sides of the inequality. Adding the same number to both sides of an inequality does not change the inequality itself. This step helps to eliminate the minus 4 present on the left-hand side. Now the inequality becomes 2g minus 4 plus 4 less than or equal to 6 plus 4. Since minus 4 plus 4 equals 0, we simplify this to 2g less than or equal to 10. This concludes step 1, where we have successfully simplified the inequality to 2g less than or equal to 10. Step 2. In this step, we continue to isolate the variable g by getting rid of the coefficient attached to g. We currently have the inequality 2g less than or equal to 10. To isolate g, we need to divide both sides of the inequality by 2. Dividing both sides helps us simplify the expression and keeps the inequality balanced. When we divide 2g by 2, we get g by itself. Similarly, we divide 10 by 2 to maintain equality. So we now have g less than or equal to 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Therefore, the simplified inequality is g less than or equal to 5. This is the final step. Hence, our solution in inequality form is g less than or equal to 5. To express our solution in interval notation, we use a square bracket to include 5 because g can be equal to 5. The interval notation is negative infinity comma 5 with a square bracket on 5. Therefore, the final solution is g less than or equal to 5. In interval notation, negative infinity comma 5, square bracket. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.